Hello, good morning once again. It's Dupey here. Today is midweek and it's 13th of July 2022. One of my old plans has also set again. So let's go straight to it and see how it is. When they set like that and you don't take care of them, before you see them, you just drop before you realize you already have it back. You've not taken care of it. So let me take you straight to it. From Monday, first one in Monday, in 2015. This particular one is also matching with the current one because of the position of the 57 and this 37. It's also matching with the current one. So at event 516, 57 play at 4th position. This is the position of the plan. 4th position, then following with 36 play. This 37 that I'm talking about, this 37 is supposed to go to machine. 37 is supposed to go to machine. But I play with the 57, so following week we'll see 36. So as 36 play, then the 57 will jump and play with 23. I usually play 3 numbers. The plan will usually play 3 numbers, but the main 2 shots sometimes then they play only 2. So the 2 shot that I usually plays is the 57 and 23. But sometimes they add the 14 to them to give you the 3 numbers. Let me take you to another one also, then you will see. The one that they play recently, that is in 2020. This one, if you check with the current one, the one in midweek now, this one is in Monday. So the one in current now, you notice that you play double 8 following with 21, following with 57. So after the 57 play, you count 3 wins, the 1, 2, 3. This one I didn't know it's really going to play because the things that I usually play before playing the game is either 40, 36 or 14. But I play 41. You play 41 and I didn't know he's going to play it, but because he played the 37 with it, so and he did not take it to machine, so I have to use it. And I use it and he play 57 and then the 23 and then he add the 14 to it to give you the 3 numbers. So that event play, the first one I showed you, this particular event, the 3 numbers on it comes there to play because it moves with the 37. That is the main reason why I perm the event and play 3 numbers, but the 2 should also play. Okay, now let's go to Lucky Tuesday. We set in Lucky Tuesday also. When you go to Lucky Tuesday, okay, when you go to Lucky Tuesday 2009, this is one of them, 57. This is 2009, 57. Then following week, you see the 14. I told you it's either 14, 40, or 36. Or it can play all of them together. Then following week, then the 57 will jump and play with 23. Here, it plays only the two short. That is 57, 23. Okay, now let me take you to another one also again in the Lucky Tuesday. When you come to Lucky Tuesday, you see another one here. This in 2014. This 2014 one, please. It's even matching with the. It's also matching with the current one. Just that the 57 is not at that position, but it's doing the same thing that it does for the plan. So as you can see, at event 352, we play 45 with the 57. Then the 37 that usually plays with the number either winning or machine. 37 play and they play with even 72. So as they play with 72, following week the 40 play, one of them, that is 40, either 40, 36 or 14. So following week the 57 will have to jump and play with the 23. Here also he plays 2, but because he usually play 3 numbers, he repeated the 40 to join them. Okay, now let's go straight to the how do we call it? Let me take you to midweek itself. When you go to midweek, Now that the actual thing is also there, this is in 2005, and this the main event we are using. When you come to event 94, 57 at first position, like fourth position, and then you play the 37 in machine. So following 40 play. So following the 57 will jump and play with 23. That is a 2 shot. So here is adding the key of the 57 to them to give you 57, single 3, and then 23. So this is the main event I'm using today. So the single 3, 57, and then 23, because you usually play 3 numbers, so you're supposed to play 3 numbers on this event. You see that the 23 repeated. So 23, 57, and then the single 3 becomes our 3 numbers for today. So when you come to our current confirmation, you notice that I show you one that the 57 play, and then play 40. You play 37 in each machine and play with 72. So the 57 will have to jump and play with 23, and then the single 3. If you see the top here, you play the 2 that is supposed to play with the numbers. That is 23, and then the single 3. So the 57 will jump and play with 23, and then the single 3. So when you come to the current confirmation that I just showed you, you notice that I said the 57 will play at 4th position and then play 37 in machine. Following week, then they play 40 at winning. Then following week, the 57 will jump and play with the 23. Then the 57 will key back to single 3 and play with them to give you the 3 numbers for today. So as I go through the plans once again, one of the events that I showed you is this particular one in 2009, Lucky Tuesday, 57, 3 weeks down. The 57 will jump and play with 23. Another one also here at 2014. Then he play 45 with 57. Then he play 37 with 72. Then following the 70 play. Then following the 57 will jump and play with the 23. That particular plan, I did not refer to you on the current plan. I didn't refer to it on the current plan. So as you can see, that is it. 57 play with 45. Then the 37 play in machine with 72. That is the key of the 37. Then following the 40 play. So the 57 will have to jump and then play with the 23. So the event I'm using today is this particular event 96 in midweek itself, event 96. The plan is from Monday special, Lucky Tuesday, and then midweek. Monday special, Lucky Tuesday, and then midweek. So the event I'm using is the event in the event 96 in midweek itself. So as you can see, the numbers on the event are 62, single 3, 57, 23, and then 53. I'm going over it again. I said event 96 is the event I'm using today. Numbers on the event are 62, single 3, 57, 23, and then 53. Some people said I should write the numbers that I'm using on the paper for them, so I'm writing it. That is 62, single 3, 23, 57, and then 53. So here is the numbers that I'm using today. As I show it on the event, maybe some people might not see it on the event, even though I mention it. But these the numbers I'm using today. There's 62, single 3, 23, 57, and then 53. But the three numbers are single 3, 23, and then 57. The two show usually play 57 and 23, and then you add 1 to it to give you three numbers. So definitely this event is going to play three numbers for us today. So thank you very much for being here, and I hope this evening we get our wins and then happiness becomes ours today. Bye for now.